Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Btech Khaka. In this video I will explain 3 big company hirings and I will share you the job links in the description of this video. Before starting the video, I kindly request you please do subscribe. Most of you watching this video and not subscribing the channel, if you subscribe to my channel you will get updated videos and job links you can apply easily. And back to the video, let's go to the first job. It is from the Earnin company, developer experience contractor. The role is, guys, they mention clearly, right? It is a contract role. It is 12-month summer internship. Guys who are eligible for this job, who are currently on 4th year studying Btech or Mtech, I mean Mtech second year, guys. Those students can easily apply for this job, and they are mainly focusing on that. What they are looking for you: bachelor degree, Btech or Mtech. The final year students can easily apply, and some experience with Python. Do not worry about it, guys. You have to at least work on any project with Python language or Go or TypeScript, and familiar with GitHub, and they are mostly interested in AI and LLM. And guys, it is a hybrid mode, and the job location is Bangalore. Guys, it is a good opening from this company. If you work in this company and gain some experience and add this experience into your resume, it will good weightage to your resume. And do not miss this opening, guys. Before applying to this job, kindly request you to please update your resume according to this company requirement and add AI and Python must, guys. Before, if you want to clear the first round of resume screening, it will easily pass through it, guys. Please add the Python and LLM and AI and any other technologies. And before going to interview, make sure that prepare for the interview for those roles. And next is from the Everpure. The role is member of technical staff, and what you will do: develop software in C, CPP with Python based automation where applicable. And guys, the job location is Bangalore. It is fantastic, guys. What they are looking in a candidate: strong software foundation in C, CPP and Python, guys. They did not mention any Java. I think they did not require any Java students. And before applying to this job, I kindly request you to please update your resume according to this company requirement. Add C, CPP and Python in your resume so that you can clear the screening stage. And next is, guys, everyone is waiting for the job from the Sutherland, guys. Who are waiting for the job in Sutherland, this is a good opening from the company. They are hiring for the associates customer support. In simple words, I will tell you, it is a call center, guys. You have to interact with the clients and solve their basic problems and other things. They clearly mention that it is a through calls, and it is full-time, guys. And in the first step of qualification, they clearly mention that good verbal and written communication skills in English language. Not only this company, every company is adding good verbal and written communication skills in English. And which year students are eligible for this drive, guys? They mention 0 to 2 years of experience, so that freshers and 2025 and 2024 passed out students can apply easily. And the job location is Bhopal. Do not worry, guys, they are providing the cab facility. It is good, guys. Most of company does not provide any cab facility. This company is providing within the 25 kilometers of office location, guys. It is good. And they clearly mention the timings of the job means 8 hours per day. It is most company and common timings, and 1 hour for break and 5 to 6 days per week. I am thinking that it mostly be 6 days per week. And guys, that's enough, guys. It is a good hiring from the Sutherland. Before ending the video, I kindly request you to please do subscribe for your placement only, not helpful to me. If you place, then first step is unsubscribe to my channel. And that's enough, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. I will see you in the next updated video with updated jobs. Thank you.